Hello, my name is Julius. Welcome everybody to my Bates Motel Complete Series Blu-Ray unboxing. This is the front, Norman Bates. You got the side, the Bates Motel Complete Series. Dash right there is the Bates Motel itself. Let me open this baby up. And we got the back, Norma Bates. And we got, I'll pause this right here. This is the description, bonus features. Just pause the video anytime you want. And that's right there is the entire bookcase. So and the simple thing is going to be this season 1. Bates Motel the complete first season. Norma Bates, along with Norma. Side. And back. I will pause the video anytime. Just pause the video anytime to read the description. Open this baby up with one hand. This two. Let me take out the sheet of paper. This is disc 1. So you have the description of the dang episodes, which is very, very nice. Looks like you just got Norman going back to the Bates Motel. Just pause the video anytime in the back. Sorry if I had to zoom in for you. But you could basically watch the show on Netflix. It's on Netflix right now. But I had to get the complete collection. So this is season 2. Norma just laying down. Get the side. And the back. Pause the video anytime right there. Okay, open this baby up. I'm going to take out the slip cover again. You got Norman and his taxidermy shit. Bonus features. Disc 1. Pause the video anytime. And disc 2. Season 3. Front cover. No more Norma catering Norman. The back. Pause the video again anytime you want. Bonus features. Again, I open this baby. We got Norman again with his taxidermy shit. Bonus features included right there. Disc 1. Disc 2. The yellow stuff is just me that highlighted my favorite episodes. Alright, we're on now to disc 4. Bates Motel, the complete 4th season, right here. Back. Surprisingly, the bonus features just a DVD feature, like deleted scenes. Which is very disappointing. Okay, open this baby up again. Norman and his mother. Finally, Norman ain't doing taxidermy shit. Bonus features, deleted scenes. Disc 1. Pause the video anytime. Disc 2. Alright, final season. Norman and his mother, his dead mother. It's a 2-year time jump. Pause the video anytime you want. Again, the discs are basically the same. I'm just giving you the other thing right here. And sick. Norman as a hotel manager for the Bates Motel. Bonus features include this. There you go. This one. This too. So everybody, that's my Base Motel Complete Series Blu-ray unboxing. Let me know what you think, everyone. Subscribe if you like. Disconnect bomb, comment down below. Let me know. Respect my opinion, respect yours. What's your personal opinion, everybody, about Base Motel Complete Series Blu-ray unboxing? Did you enjoy it? Did you hate it? Just let me know what y'all think, everybody. And another thing, sorry, I do not have the digital movie codes for this entire disc, but either way, Base Motel Complete Series. Let me know what y'all think, everyone. And just leave some effort, everybody. Bye-bye.